lovely artists! Welcome to my class and let's dive into digital watercolor art and paint all together urban art, Japanese street with cute spirits. Get ready to learn a couple of new watercolor painting techniques for Procreate. My name is Inga and I'm here to show you that digital watercolor is magical. And you can create magical world with all those cute characters and whimsical nature with your own hands. For that you will need Procreate and a little bit of inspiration. In this class I will start by telling you where to find the freebies and how to get ready for the painting process, like creating watercolor paper in Procreate and exploring all the brushes that we have. I think it's hard to create good art without inspiration and references, so I prepared for you a small video from Japan. This part takes an important role in our today's class. Then we will prepare sketches in two ways, and finally we will move to painting process. Two beautiful streets are waiting for us, and two different ways of painting digitally. I will show you how to add colors, stamps, shades and highlights to your art from the sketch to detailed illustration. So we will make our painting a little bit advanced. And the most important, thanks to a couple of cute details, we will add magical atmosphere to our realistic drawing. By the end of my class, you will be able to create urban illustration, Japanese streets specifically, in Procreate, using digital watercolor techniques in a fun and simple way. During the course, I will slowly move you throughout my workflow, explaining every step and describing Procreate features and watercolor painting techniques. And what you will learn during my class? More about Procreate, more about sketching techniques, how to create watercolor texture paper, because this is important today, how to use different watercolor painting techniques, and how to apply those techniques in Procreate. Next, we will learn how to use layers and blending modes, and how to add volume and color variations to your art. How to create urban art in Procreate using digital brushes. And what you will need for this class? I will use Procreate with iPad and Apple Pencil. You also can use Procreate or some other drawing pads or just regular watercolor paper and paints. And about course resources that I prepared for you, as a bonus, I will share with you all the digital tools that we mentioned during the class. Texture paper, custom brush set, color palette, of course references and my own illustrations that I created. Now, who is this class for? The class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you have basic understanding of Procreate features, for those who is interested in digital watercolor art, cute characters and urban illustrations. And one more thing that is super important and I need to mention, your opinion and your feedback is very important to me. So feel free to tell me what you think about the class in discussion or review section. I will be glad to reply to you. I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. So let's not wait, grab your iPad with Apple Pencil or watercolor paints and let's paint together. So if you are ready to create the art that you are proud of, let's do it!